Introducing an autonomous wheelchair system, an innovative project that leverages cutting-edge technologies to revolutionize lives of people with physical challenges. In this project, we use Raspberry Pi and robot operating system to make this powerful project possible.
Myself, Kabilan from Karunya Institute of Technology Sciences, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. First of all, I said thank you to Technoxian team for making a robotics enthusiast to participate in the Technoxian Robotics Championship. And our innovation topic is making the autonomous wheelchair in ordinary or normal wheelchair, and we are integrating some ROS and IME sensors, wheel encoders, and LiDARs for making the localization of the robot. Localization is nothing but robot should know where I am. Our wheelchair should know where I am, right? And we are making this wheelchair for indoor environment. And first of all, we did with the mapping process, and we enter into the navigation stack to the entire environment of a closed surface. And first, we did the map of the robot or map of the surrounding of the environment. After that, this is the map of the closed environment, and after that we did the localization using AMCL algorithm, adaptive mode control localization, and this is the robot exact location. Once I move the robot, the localization also, the AMCL algorithm will detect the robot accurate and precision level of localization. And why I am using AME sensors here for making the localization, and wheel encoders LiDAR also. And we guys are using some new technologies for making a high level autonomous wheelchair. For example, we are using a depth cam with an NVIDIA Jetson Nano, and that also I give in my video. You can see that. That Intel depth cam T1435 for making the visual odometry data using ROS2, and this is running on ROS1. After this, we are entering into the ROS2 for making the authentication and high level security purpose. We are entering into the ROS2 for making the autonomous wheelchair. Thank you. And we also merged the video of rapid prototyping model in previous videos. You can see that, and thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity for robotics enthusiasts.
Hi everyone, myself Melvin Sadit from Carnegie University of Technology. As Kabilin said, our project is an autonomous wheelchair project. Let's go to the rapid prototyping phase of our project. So we use ROS and simulator softwares like Gazebo and Arvis to simulate our robot in real time. So we can test the LiDAR and the simulation mapping using ROS and simulation software. This is really a great way to rapid prototype our project. We first made a model in SolidWorks and imported it to Gazebo and we simulated our robot in real time. And we used Gazebo and ROS to control our wheelchair in the virtual space so that we can reconstruct this in the real world. So this is how we rapid prototype our project. And we use other technologies like GPS and simulation in the simulation software itself. So this helped us understand how it's going to work in the real world also. And we used mapping technologies in ROS to map the environment using LiDAR and the other sensors in the simulation software itself. So we understood how this is going to work in the real time.